Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, Netflix, Tesla, DVLP, ENZC, NSAV, NLST, GTII, FNGR, COMS, MULN, COSM, TMBR, KTRA, and NBY. But before we get into that, a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also, click the red subscribe button, little notification bell to be notified when you go live with a new video. Also click the link in the description to sign up for all of our alerts. You can sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. And after you sign up, in the welcome email, there is a link. You can download the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. This free ebook talks about a lot of the strategies that I go over in my videos. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. Folks, first off, I apologize for not putting out a Monday night video or an alert on Monday. That got canceled. My son and me, we both came down with colds. So a 1-year-old, it's sort of when you're not feeling well and the 1-year-old's not feeling well, it's certainly not a good combination. So my mind was just not on the markets. But a couple of things I am looking at. First of all, the SPY has had a nice bounce to start the week. Two big updates on the first 2 trading days of the week. Overall, this is just a dead cat bounce in a bear market. I won't get too excited, guys. The hawkishness from the Fed is still out there, that they're going to keep raising rates. So until we get the sign that they're going to pause or pivot, expect more bearish price action. Right now, again, as I've talked about in the videos, cash is the best position. You want to be trading right now. You don't want to be investing. But there is some bright spots. Netflix was out with new earnings today. After the bell, I believe the worst is over for Netflix. Reed Hastings said, thank goodness the subscriber shrinking is over. I took a flyer on Netflix 270 calls today. They closed at 535 with the stock banking 275 in the after hours. That looks to be a good call. I'll be making, as long as these gains hold overnight, I'll be banking this week in Netflix calls. One play that to take a look at, Tesla is reporting earnings tomorrow, Wednesday after the close. And what's interesting is Tesla's Elon Musk, he has confirmed he will be on the Q3 earnings call. If it was bad news, I don't think he'd be on it. I'm expecting good news. I'm playing with 230 calls and 240 calls. 230 calls closed at 460. The 240 calls closed at 201. If some of you really want to take a flyer, you're looking for a risk reward, the 250 calls closed at 82 cents. Be watching them tomorrow. So like I said, I'm playing it. These expire this week. So again, I'm expecting a bullish report. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and what I see for going forward. DVLP, a lot of chatter on this one. This one has been a triple this month, getting a nice correction. Basically, just put in a triple top. We can't go higher, must go lower. Just corrected, got a little overbought here, but there's a lot to like with DVLP. This one has just a $14 million market cap. They put out an update on Monday that they closed their first acquisition. This is one of two parts of the first transaction. The team worked exhausting hours this past weekend to get everything done. We are excited to complete this important first step. The new team harmonizes perfectly with the culture we bring. They're extremely excited for our path forward. A special thanks to them and all shareholders who have been patient through the process. Further updates expected this week. That's what we need to keep the momentum going in DVLP. And because the press release was a little light or vague on details, that's really why we didn't get the follow through, why it couldn't break through this triple top here. Get more updates that the market likes. We will get that move higher. Moving on, ENZC, really nice chart here. Looks to have bottomed out here. Looks like all the selling is over. We've got selling exhaustion, and now we're getting this move higher. Interesting down here, it dipped all the way down to 0.022. For those of you that have been following InsiderFinancial.com, we have covered ENZC extensively. This was one of our biggest winners in 2021. The stock reached almost $1. Just been a lot of updates coming. We're waiting. They put out a release earlier this month that reports successful completion of an MTD tolerability study of its ITV1 anti-HIV therapeutic, leading to the start of a 28-day GLP toxicology study. Godfather Capital, at Godfather Cap on Twitter, he's got an extensive due diligence on DDD. He's been all over this one. There's a thread that he goes into a lot of information on ENZC. This company has a lot going on, a lot of things. Could be a major catalyst to really get this stock going, but someone is down here accumulating, and that's why we're seeing this move higher. Moving on, NSAV, really nice move here. Got the rounding bottom. We're getting a major breakout here this week. The company is put out an announcement last week. As announced Friday morning on this Twitter handle, late Friday afternoon, the definitive acquisition agreement for the operating centralized cryptocurrency exchange was signed by all parties. Complete details on the CX will be announced in a press release next week. So that's what's getting the market excited. Expecting this press release this week, and hopefully it's a good one that can keep the momentum going in NSAV. NLST, this is one, guys, this is a great trader. It has a big market cap. They have a lot of patents. They're in a lot of litigation. This one has been just a great dip buyer. So again, you look at all these spikes. It sells off spikes, sells off spikes, sells off spikes, sells off spikes. Again, trade this one. Don't own it. Buy dips, sell rips, move on. It's a great trader, NLST. Speaking of a great trader, GTII has been a great trader. There's just a ton of manipulation going on in this one. This one, spiked all the way from 50 cents to $9. Dropped all the way down to $2. Oversold here. Got a nice relief rally today, up 102% on nice big volume. This one here, like I said, there's a lot of naked shorts in this one. There's some shorts are caught in this one. A lot of intraday volume. So again, this is one, trade it, don't hold it, don't get into the diamond hands, paper hands BS. Trade it, move on, make money, move on to the next play. FNGR, this is one I told you guys I was out last week. This one here looks to have bottomed. I took a little position today in FNGR. I think this one here is going to bounce back to $9. Certainly, again, this one here is a lot of manipulation going on. Expecting some big catalyst, some big press release. There's a lot to like with their device protection, their insurance business. Certainly, there's a lot of catalysts here, and we're just waiting for some more news on FNGR's business out of China. Next up, guys, COMS. I saw this. I didn't take it. I should have taken a flyer on it. I should have put out a video or an alert on this. It got down to 4 cents yesterday. Was trading 6 cents, up 50% in the after hours on big volume. And the volume is so critical in when it comes to after hours or pre-market trades. You really want to focus on the volume. Had a lot of volume, and they spiked it today, up 170%. I'm kicking myself for not buying it. Not in COMS. I wish I would have. Wish I would have put out an alert on it. Again, we'll catch the next one. But guys, there's 5 plays here. What's interesting about COMS is that in 2021 there was a way. It was an easy way to make money. You basically just went and you ran a screen on FinViz looking for any NASDAQ, NYSE stocks trading under $1. The market was so bullish that basically all plays were running. If all you had to do was be under $1, and market participants were running those screens, and they would bring those stocks up over $1. It was a license to print money. Right now, I think we're going to see that same thing and under these 10 cents plays. I have MULN. We're not quite there yet. It's closed at 21 cents. This one has a big following. If all it takes is one press release to get this one going. So these 5 here, I just want you to put them on your watch list. MULN, COSM, TMBR, KTRA, and NBY. I think these here are really getting set up to squeeze. Like I said, they're trading here down here very, very cheap. And I think that these 5 plays are certainly plays to put on your watch list. Don't be buying dips if it keeps dipping. You want to play the momentum. You want to be buying green. So focus on the momentum plays. Get in, get out. Right now, this is not the time to be hodling or buy and hold. This is a time to be trading, buy dips, sell rips. And when I say buy dips, dips on green days. Learn to study support and resistance. You want to focus on a stock that's running, accumulate on on green days. And then when the day, if it turns and it starts going red, just get out. Use your trailing stops, book profits along the way, and that's the strategy that's working right now. But again, if you want to trade pre-market after hours, you can sign up with Webull. They allow trading from 4 a.m. To 8 p.m. There's a link in the description. I'm still here running a lot of screens, looking at catalysts. I feel much better. My son is doing better. His fever has come down. Thankfully, they just gave us medicine. Didn't have to put him in the hospital. And he's running around and very happy. So all is good here. Click the link in the description. Like I said, I'll be looking for PRs, catalysts in the morning, pre-market to see if there's anything exciting. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up at any of the pop-ups with your email. And then after you sign up with your email, you can sign up with your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts. With that being said, I want to wish everyone good luck tomorrow on Wednesday. Happy hump day. Let's have a big week. And I'll be coming live to you after the bell with a new video. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.